invited guest here. My name is Sonia Thakkar and I am the daughter of the big B of Rotary, Mr. Vinod Thakkar. And we actually got married on 4th of December after 4 years of dating, and the struggled relationship ye shaadi nahi ho sakti because he stayed with Patil and he's actually the son of my dad's childhood friend. But they were all worried that how will I go and stay in Patil, which is a small city in Gujarat, but a very sweet city. But I managed to convince everyone, and I'm finally a marketing professor there at Eastern University there. And this is all because I am a youth exchange student. I am a Rotary child. Rotarians and more Rotarians. Thank you for inviting me here, and I'm very happy कि registrations का नंबर बढ़ गया. उनको आप बताते मैं किसके बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ, बॉलीवुड के बारे में नहीं, प्लास्टिक के बारे में पता नहीं क्या होता. अच्छा हुआ आपने नहीं बताया, सब यहाँ पर बसते हैं. I'm very happy to be speaking to you because I realize Rotary clubs across the world contribute hugely to society. They steer change in society. So what I say here, if it touches your heart, I know this is going to go far. I'm so glad to be with you. So I wanted to speak about plastics today because it is having an alarming effect on society, on our world, on life. But before I begin, again congratulations to Sonia and Ashish, and thank you. नेक काम आपने किया और उसमें भाग मुझे भी मिल गया, so thank you for that opportunity. And Vandana, I'm so glad you are doing what you are doing. I'm so glad you are here today. क्योंकि what I'm going to speak about will resonate with you, and actually I'm kind of taking off from where she ended. So, Supreme Court in May 2014 said that unless we examine a ban on plastic bags, the next generation will be threatened with something more serious than the atom bomb. वंदना ने सब कुछ ऐसा ही कहा था आपसे. ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने मई 2014 में कहा है. चलिए let's just see. सुबह से शाम तक हम करते क्या हैं? सुबह उठते हैं, पूरी ब्रश आती. आपका टूथब्रश किस चीज का बना है, जरा बताइए. प्लास्टिक. वो जो ट्यूब है उसकी, टूथपेस्ट की, वो किस चीज से बनी हुई है? प्लास्टिक है. आप नहाने जाते हैं तो आपका शैम्पू किस बॉटल में आया है? प्लास्टिक. और जो कंडीशनर आप इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो क्या है? प्लास्टिक है. वाह. आप नहाने जाते हैं तो बकेट और वो मग है, वो किस चीज की बनी हुई है? प्लास्टिक अगेन. आप बाहर आते हैं, आप कपड़े पहनते हैं, आप नायलॉन पहन लेते हैं, आप पॉलिएस्टर पहन लेते हैं, उसमें भी प्लास्टिक है. आप खाना खाने जाते हैं, काफी घरों में मैंने अब देखा है मेलामाइन में, कलर्ड मेलामाइन प्लेट्स, मेलामाइन कप्स में खाना खाया जाता है, वो भी प्लास्टिक है. आप गाड़ी में बैठते हैं, आपकी गाड़ी के पूरा वो डैशबोर्ड, आपके साइड के जो हैंडल्स, I mean everything around you, even the upholstery, to a large extent is again plastic. आप सुपरमार्केट में जाते हैं, तो please can we just have a visual? Can we have a visual of the supermarket? Oh, here we are. Yes. Entirely everything is packaged in plastic. I'd like you to take, everything is plastic around us. I'd just like to ask you, What do you know about plastic? Does anybody know anything about plastic?
Anybody would like to raise a hand and talk about it?
Just the little that you might know. Anybody? Harmful. Wow. Okay, it is harmful. Let me explain how harmful. So the first fact about plastic, you might be knowing this, we've all heard this, it does not decompose. It does not decompose. The earth cannot digest it. And ये दृश्य आपने हर रोज आप गाड़ी से निकलते हैं ना तो आप जरूर ये चीजें देखते हैं. Can we see that here? Streets, beaches, on the rocks, and then river में plastic everywhere, and the Deonar dumping ground like Vandana was speaking about. Every piece of plastic that was ever made 50 years ago, and every piece of plastic today, all your shampoo bottles, your conditioners, your buckets, your mugs, your everything is here to stay for the next 1,000 years. It's not going anywhere. 6 months ago, I was with my brother-in-law, and he knows everything about everything. तो मैं शुरू हो गई pollution के बारे में. तो उसने मुझे बताया, you know what? What are you talking about? Do you know that there are islands of plastic in the ocean? मैंने बोला क्या? Islands of plastic in the ocean? I had not heard anything like that, and I thought, चलो कुछ ऐसा होगा, Maldives type ऐसा छोटा सा भी island float कर रहा होगा, but it's there. Yeah. Then he said, no, it's not. It's not like what you're imagining it to be. It is floating plastic because it floats on the water. And guess the size. So I'd like to ask you, would somebody like to guess the size of the island in the oceans? A plastic floating island. Anybody? 20 square kilometers. बड़ा सोचिए. 20,000 square kilometers. और बड़ा सोचिए. 200,000. और बड़ा सोचिए. Okay.
It's bigger than the African continent.
Wow. I'm so glad you said that.
Thank you.
In the North Pacific Ocean, there is island of plastic, which is almost the size of Africa. That was in 2012, and Sir, आप जो बोल रहे हैं, by now it's probably bigger than Africa. तो मैं तो वहीं गिर गई. And that's when I started working on plastics. So fact number 2, chemicals are added when plastic products are made. So chemicals are added. You have rubber bands of plastic. Yeah? Now to make it elastic, chemicals are added. To make this bottle transparent, to make a bottle, chemicals are used. To make this stand, this color, anything, chemicals are used. Colors, not organic, chemical colors are used. For everything, like when you sit in your aircraft, your seat, your handles, the entire ambience of your aircraft is flame resistant. It doesn't burn easily. It is all lined with very, very heavy chemicals. If you were in the factory while they're making those things, you would never put that chemical in your mouth. Would you? You wouldn't. Okay. So for everything that is ever made of plastic, chemicals, very heavy chemicals, toxic chemicals are used. Now fact number 3. When plastic comes in contact with heat, with water, with air, it breaks. And then All those chemicals that have been put in there, they can leach out. They come out in heat, water, air. Now I want to know, how many of us go with plastic tiffin boxes to school, to office? How many? आप पीछे यहाँ तो बोल दिया इन्होंने all. Yes, all children have plastic tiffin boxes. Do you put hot food in them? Do you pack sometimes a dal, a paratha, garam roti for them, for your husband going to the office? That heat, that plastic, we don't know what grade of plastic it is. We don't know which company it has come from. And if in that heat, some of that plastic is leaching, those toxic chemicals, it is going in your food, it is going in your child's mouth. Okay, can we have the picture of the birthday party? We've all seen this. ये तो 3 बच्चे हैं, हमारे यहाँ 100 बच्चे होते हैं, 1000 होते हैं, बड़ी पार्टीज होती हैं, and हम उनको खाना आजकल स्टाइरोफोम प्लेट्स में देते हैं, वो plastic forks, plastic spoons. Again, yes, everybody's seen that. Wedding parties, birthday parties, events, functions, styrofoam plates, plastic spoons. Those are cheap plastics. Very cheap. You don't even know which company. There is no company only. Those are made. And those are toxic chemicals to make them that color, to make it the way it is. आप उसमें इडली सांभर लगा के ऐसा सर्व कर देते हैं. That heat. Again, your plastic leaches chemicals. It goes into your mouth, it goes into your child's mouth. Maybe we have the other picture of, see now very often, plastic cups, water cups. All weddings, water cups. Have you any idea वो कौन सी कंपनी का है? कोई मित्र, कोई फ्रेश, कोई कुछ भी नाम होता है उसके ऊपर, बट इट कम्स पैकेज, तो आपको लग रहा है बस ये पानी बेस्ट है. पर वो पानी, वो कौन सी कंपनी है? वो किसी कारखाने में, वो कहीं उल्लासनगर में बन रहा होगा, आपको कुछ पता नहीं है. वो कौन सा पानी डाल रहे हैं वो भी आपको पता नहीं है. और फिर हमारी कंट्री में, हम ट्रॉपिकल कंट्री में, एवरेज टेम्परेचर ऑफ समर इज व्हाट? 38, दिल्ली में 42, हैदराबाद में 42, कहीं तो 45, चेन्नई. ये जो कप्स आते हैं उस कारखाने से आपकी वेडिंग के लिए या रिटेलर शॉप के लिए, वो कोई एसी ट्रक्स पे नहीं आते, वो कोई एसी टेम्पोज में नहीं आते, वो बस आते हैं ट्रक्स में आ जाते हैं, खुले आसमान के नीचे. So can you imagine that those cheap plastic cups packaged like that, the dioxins from those plastics are entering your water, and then we are drinking it. Okay, now we come to this fantastic water bottles which is everywhere. How many of us leave these bottles in the car? How many of us do that? All of you. Wow. So now, think about this. Again, you don't know. Yes, it was vacuum packed in a very big company. Then, how did it travel from that factory to the retail outlet? Did it really come AC or not? I don't know. Then, आपने देखे होंगे वो रास्ते पे mostly the shops जिनके पास distillery and whichever waters they have, those are not AC'd dhabas or shops. किराने की दुकान में मिलते हैं. Many times these are stacked outside in the heat on crates. Those dioxins from this plastic may be entering your water. Think about it the next time you look at this water bottle. I didn't really want to drink from here. But you can think about it. And another thing that I came to know, which I never knew and I was also sometimes doing earlier, before I knew about all this, How many of us have taken a bottle, first packed, फिर वो खत्म कर दी, फिर आपने उसको refill करके, अगले दिन you wanted to use the bottle, you refilled it with water and took it either to office or to a picnic. Have you done it? There's no guarantee from the company. It's a one-time use bottle. When they pack it and they give it to you, they want you to finish that water. उसके बाद क्या होता है उस बॉटल के साथ या आपके पानी के साथ is not really their problem. You're not supposed to do that because by then the chemicals are leaching out. चलिए, पहले बच्चे होते थे ना, तो उनके मुंह में हम चांदी का छड़कना डालते थे. The ladies will know. या पहले ज़माने में वो चांदी का छड़कना देते थे बच्चों को ताकि चांदी का तत्व उनके मुंह में जाए. It's good for them. Gold, silver, these are pure metals. आज हम प्लास्टिक टीला देते हैं. अब आपको पता है कि वो कौन सी कंपनी से कहाँ से आया है और उसमें जो रंगीन जो भाग है उसमें कौन से कलर यूज किए गए हैं और वो जो केमिकल्स उसके मुंह में जा रहे हैं वो उसके ऊपर चबा रहा है. तो वो क्या हो रहा है इसके बारे में अगली बार आप तरफ विचार करना जब आप बच्चे को देखेंगे. And then we've done this, we've all done this. Baby bottles. Baby bottles have BPA, bisphenol A. सीधा बच्चा पैदा नहीं हुआ, सीधा केमिकल की चीज़ें उसके मुंह के अंदर. And then उसे कैंसर कहाँ से हो रहा है? कहाँ से हो रहा है? फिर भी सीधा तो चलिए मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ आपसे, आप ये देख लीजिए, like a fact. आराम से पढ़िएगा. अगला PVC. It's in so many things. PVC आपने बहुत सुना होगा. It's in floor tiles, it's in bumpers, strips के bumpers, toys, water pipes. It's in everything. It's useful because it's convenient. Plastic is convenient. There are many other such slides. मैं सिर्फ दो ही लेकर आई. Just so that I set you on the path of knowing about this. If you're interested someone, you can look it up. It's all there on Ecology Center, or you can look it up on any other website. Just write plastics, health effects, then it will come there. Okay. Sure, done. इंडिया एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत देश है. इसकी सोच बहुत गहरी थी है. कृष्ण भगवान के पास ना उन्होंने गाय रखी, हमारी देसी गाय, और पूजा करते हैं हम उसकी. And many of you will know this. Why? क्योंकि the cow, उसका दूध, देसी cow, not the Holstein Jersey cow, देसी cow, उसका दूध बहुत अच्छा है बच्चों के लिए. उसका घी बहुत अच्छा है सेहत के लिए. उस दूध से जो बनी हुई दही है वो बहुत अच्छी है डाइजेशन के लिए. उससे बना हुआ छाछ बहुत अच्छा है आपकी सेहत के लिए. जो गाय का मूत्र है, आपको कोई एलिमेंट हो, कोई इन्फेक्शन हो, आप वो पीजिए हर सुबह और देखिए क्या है वो गायब हो जाएगा. और जो काउ डंग है, anybody who's into farming will know how important it is to the soil, how good it is for the soil. इसलिए भगवान कृष्ण के पास गाय थी, कोई घोड़ा नहीं था, कोई बकरी नहीं थी, कोई कुत्ता नहीं था, कुछ नहीं. They put the cow. You can laugh, that's good. I'm glad you are enjoying this. Yes, there was a reason, and it's very, very deep because they understood that your cow, everything that it gives you, is so good for you that पूजा करने लायक. आजकल हमने एक गलती कर दी. गाय को स्कूल नहीं भेजा, उसको पता है नहीं हमने प्लास्टिक बना दिया. उसको पता ही नहीं कि वो जब वो खाना खाने जाती है सैडली cities, towns, वो आजकल डंप में 60 to 70% of your refuse is plastic. उसको नहीं पता, so वो by mistake वो खा लेती because it is mixed up with their food. And plastics don't have to be a plastic bag necessarily, though it is many times. But it can even be, you know, your tags, the tags of your tags here that you're wearing. It can be small things like rubber bands. It can be small things like bracelets. It can be small things you've thrown away without thinking. It has landed in that dump over there. A cow is busy eating and by mistake ingests. उसके मुंह में आ जाता है, उसे नहीं समझ आता. वो खा लेती है, शायद कुछ सही नहीं लगता, मगर आपके और मेरे जैसे उसके हाथ नहीं है. Have you ever, and this must have happened, कि आपने खाना खाया और बीच में एक बाल घुस गया आपके मुंह में? हुआ है किसी के साथ? हुआ है ना? उस वक्त आपको कैसा लगता है? कुछ बहुत ही अजीब लगता है. Immediately आपका हाथ जाता है और वो आप वो बाल बाहर निकाल देते हैं. अब जब गाय के मुंह में प्लास्टिक हो, उसके तो दो हाथ भी नहीं हैं, उंगलियां नहीं हैं कि वो अपने प्लास्टिक को अपने मुंह से बाहर निकालता है. तो या तो वो चबा कर उसे अंदर निकल जाए, फिर उसके पास she can't speak, वो बोल नहीं पाती कि भाई कुछ गलत चला गया, ये कुछ मेरे लिए मुझे हेल्प कर दो. आज अगर मैं आपको एक बाल या एक रबर बैंड खिला दूँ ना, आप यहाँ बैठ नहीं पाओगे. You will be in great discomfort. It would be very painful to sleep with rubber bands or pins or anything in your stomach. Now imagine what you put the animals through when they by mistake have eaten these things. It's very painful, very uncomfortable, but they're not able to say it. Sure. Anyway, this is one part of the story. We could come back to fact number 2. Fact number 2, there are plastic chemicals added. And now I told you about the floating islands in the oceans. Come back to fact number, I think 3. When these plastics are broken, the plastic leaches chemicals. In the oceans, in the rivers, everywhere that you have thrown your plastic, the poisons are going into your water. You are poisoning your groundwater. And that water is eventually the water that you have to drink, that your children will have to drink. So this just brings me to the last fact. Every piece of plastic that we are producing today is going to live on the earth. It is going to leach chemicals. It is going to go into the water. It is going to kill animals. Because one animal will eat it, that animal will die, and the body of that animal will decompose. But that plastic will remain until another animal eats it. The other animal dies, that body decomposes, but the plastic still remains. And this is going to go on for the next 1,000 years. Okay? I'm kind of up, but I want you to go back and see about how we are using plastics And the only way out is non-recycling, because there's nothing like recycling. You have to cut back. You have to make a change. You have to reduce the amount of plastic you use and the amount of plastic you use. Thank you.
जी आप प्लीज बी हियर। आपने बहुत सरल भाषा हिंदी और इंग्लिश को मिक्स करके एक बहुत अच्छा मैसेज दिया, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। मैं चाहता हूँ इनके लिए, आपने कृष्णा की बात की, आपने गाय की बात की, तो आपके लिए जो प्राइज देने आ रहे हैं वो आ रहे हैं हमारे इस्कॉन से गदाधर जी प्रभु जी। प्लीज गदाधर जी प्लीज कम। सर यू आर वेरी वेरी accomplished, generous person, and the citation at your hands to Juiji will go a long way. Thank you so much.
Hello. The Rotary International District 3141 proudly presents Woman of Substance Award to Ms. Juhi Chawla for espousing fight against deadly disease, thalassemia, and mission to educate about perils of mobile tower radiation at District Conference 2017. Rotary International District 3141 Certificate of Appreciation. Rotary International District 3141 recognizes the presence of Ms. Juhi Chawla at District Conference 2017 and expresses its gratitude by carrying out one pediatric heart surgery on a child with congenital heart defects under its Touching Little Hearts project. Signed by
And please, anyone here from Armani or L'Oreal here? The sponsors are here. Anyone? Rajendra Unikrishan, Rajendra, come running. All of you, please come running. Fast, fast. बॉस जूही चावला को मैं आपके हाथ से आपका गिफ्ट दे रहा हूँ, इससे बड़ा क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं आपके लिए? आइए प्लीज। Our account is settled. They are our sponsors, L'Oreal and Armani, getting you the best of the gifts here. They are launching a new product also. Rajendra Unikrishnan and my friend here, please. Thank you. A Rotarian from Mumbai, Daisar, coming out with beautiful gifts for all of us. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. और गदाधर जी, आपको खुश करने के लिए आपको अवार्ड में दिलाता हूँ जूही चावला से। क्या
Rotary International District 3141 proudly presents Peace and Harmony Award to Shri Das Gadadhar Prabhuji for being a leader in fostering peace and harmony through excellence in oratory, in spreading the message of Krishna consciousness worldwide. Thank you, sir.
Rotary International District 3141 Certificate of Appreciation Rotary International District 3141 recognizes the presence of Das Gadadhar Prabhu at District Conference 2017 and expresses its gratitude by carrying out one pediatric heart surgery on a child with congenital heart defects under its Touching Little Hearts project. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your presence.
So, just a few words. In fact, I never knew that I would stand with Juhi Chawla. We are watching her movies when we were a small kid. The television started with Ramayana. And what is that song? Dil Marga, what is that? So, we are your fan in that sense. Her and all, something like that. It is abolished from my memory. So, actually, whatever fan that was, that we are always fan of actors. We like their acting. We like the concept that they convey. But actually, today I am a real fan of Juhi Chawla because I'll tell you, she took a brave heart. Not because she is some icon and people want to hear, but she said something which really the society needs to know. And she became an actress. She can go and make some dance show, make money, make a different kind of image. And but she has taken this kind of step where she is coming in Rotary and various other functions and trying to convey the real cause and the real problems of society. So in fact, this her brave heart and her brave step, actually now I am your fan. So thank you. Hare Krishna.
ये बचपन में भी फैन थे और बड़े होकर भी फैन हो गए. Thank you so much.
आपने तो अभी इनकी बात सुनकर फैन हुए, हम तो वैसे भी इनके फैन हैं. Juhi, with your kind permission, one complaint on your beauty and your maintaining. With kind permission of my only wife, Seema here. चांदनी बहार गजल आरजू, चांदनी बहार गजल आरजू, सोचता हूँ क्या कहूँ तुम्हें. चांदनी बहार गजल आरजू, सोचता हूँ क्या कहूँ तुम्हें. जब से देखा है बस यही तमन्ना है, उम्र भर देखता रहूँ. Thank you, Biradarji. I am obliged. I am highly grateful to you, sir. Thank you so much. May I invite Ashwin Sethi, Dongre.
Shut the door, please. Okay, so I have been invited here. I was invited here to speak. This is a big conference. Very, very important people are here, and people who contribute to society, who do a lot of charity work. So I thought this was an opportunity to talk about something that we are doing. Plastic. We are damaging the environment to such a big degree, and many of us educated people don't even know about it. It's very, very important because you're poisoning your water. What are your children going to drink? You're killing the animals. What are you doing to the earth? So what kind of development is this? What are we doing every day of our lives? We must learn to think. And these are things we're doing every day. Every day we are creating cancers for ourselves by consuming things in plastics. It's enough, we're eating food from plastic, we're drinking from plastic, and we're giving it to little babies. We must know about it.
What safety measures should you take at home, like not to use plastic, minimum use of plastic? What do you do especially?
You can do very, very simple things, but do it. Plastic bags is the biggest one. It's very simple. Carry a cloth bag, get a jute bag, put it in your car or wherever. Just carry it in your bag. एक पिशवी छोटी सी बना के अंदर बैग में जब कुछ लो, प्लास्टिक बैग मत लो वहाँ से. Anyway, we are working with the government hopefully to ban it again. Then definitely आपके जो parties और फंक्शंस होते हैं उसमें वो स्टायरोफोम प्लेट्स, प्लीज़ वो जहर है आपके लिए, आपके बच्चों के लिए और बाद में इस धरती के लिए. तो प्लीज़ उस पर खाना मत खाइए. वो प्लास्टिक फोक्स एंड स्पून्स हैं उनको मत इस्तेमाल करिए. प्लास्टिक कप्स ट्रॉपिकल कंट्री के लिए सही नहीं है। यहाँ बहुत गर्मी पड़ती है, उस गर्मी में वो प्लास्टिक पिघलता है, प्लास्टिक पिघलता है, आपके पानी में जाता है, आप वो पीते हैं, आपके बच्चे पीते हैं, फिर आप बोलते हो कैंसर कैसे हो गया, डायबिटीज़ कैसे हो गया, लिवर डिसफंक्शन कैसे हो गया, भाई ये आप ही के करने से हुआ है। सो जस्ट दीज स्मॉल चेंजेस। और किचन में मैंने पूरा चेंज कर दिया। जब ये सब पता चला तो जो बर्नियाँ थी प्लास्टिक की सब निकाल दी, सब एक नहीं रखी, सब कांच में रखिए, सिरेमिक वो मिट्टी की होती हैं उनमें रखिए, स्टील में रखिए। दैट इज़ वाई आइडियली अगर आप ट्रेडिशनली पहले देखेंगे वो कांच की बॉटल्स में आते थे। अब क्या हो गया है, दवाई को यहाँ से हांगकांग भेजना है, हांगकांग से चाइना भेजना है, इसलिए आपने प्लास्टिक में डाल दिया ताकि वो टूटे नहीं, मगर वो गलता है, प्लास्टिक वो गलता है। सो उसके केमिकल्स आपकी दवाइयों में भी जाते होंगे, क्या पता। इट्स यू हैव टू गो बैक टू ग्लास, स्टील, क्लॉथ, just the natural things that we were doing before. You have to cut back, वरना this next generation they are going to have to deal with an atom bomb, something even bigger than the atom bomb. It's very, very serious.